Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the VW Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Startline in the long wheelbase. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. This is accompanied by a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This example comes finished in the solid paint colour pure grey. As part of the exterior pack, the vehicle has body colour coordinated wing mirror caps, door handles, as well as a front and rear bumper. We'll also find a handsome twin chrome stripe across the radiator grille. The Kombi sits on a set of 16-inch steel wheels that come in a 20-hole design, as well as having a steel spare wheel. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find a tailgate without a window, and dotted along the rear bumper we'll also find a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the tailgate we'll find an increased amount of storage space thanks to the long wheelbase format of the vehicle. There's a rubber floor covering as well as multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Access into the rear passenger area can be found on the passenger side of the vehicle, where we'll find a 3-seater passenger bench finished in the bricks woven fabric upholstery. A step on the side allows easy access into and out of the vehicle. Up front in the driver's cab we'll find a singular seat with 2 armrests for the driver, along with a twin-seater passenger bench that also provides some underseat storage. In the centre of the dash, in the forms of entertainment, we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows you to access all your favourite radio stations, alternatively connecting your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. The vehicle also features 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Startline in the long wheelbase. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.